Hello, ma'am. So this is gonna be my presentation for the seven uh seventh LED display for the Arduino lesson 16. So for this one, we follow this for the LED we use this format. So the LED has A, B, C, E, D, E, F, G, and then we have two pins that is dedicated for either a positive or negative sign, and so we have this DP. So DP basically is for the little dot here. So um so as you can see here, we have the the display. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A, B, C, D, E, F, and then it repeats. So we want to make use of this setup, so that we're able to properly code it in the IDE. So here what we did is, first we basically assigned a set of pins. We basically assigned a set of pins equal to the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so that we're able to create displays with it. So here, okay, it's a little, let me turn it off real quick. So here you can see the different pins as seen in the diagram, connected to a bunch of resistors, and then we have them connected connected to several input output pins within the Arduino. So here I just color coded it. So here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G, and then we have the gray one as the DP here. So it's like a bit separated from the rest, while the rest are kind of in a line, so it's easier to con. So the reason why we want to have that is, as I said, you want to use this setup, this diagram. So the ABCD, just so that you are able to light up specific parts of the LED. So here, first setup, of course, we set the different input outputs. We set up the input output pins within the Arduino, and then here, so this first loop, it basically lights up every quadrant from A to B. So it starts from A, B, C, D. So that was the first thing you saw while it was lighting up. Let me plug it in. That's the first thing you see. So it immediately goes in light. So it goes through each each LED, including the dot, and then after that, we go to the second loop, which basically just makes it makes those colors disappear. It makes those LEDs turn off. So here we have, so each one lights up, and then it stops lighting up. So for the rest, from the 1 to 9 A to F display, we have several functions now called num1, num2, num1, num2, num3, and then so on up to F. And so we have here two extra functions. So this is basically just to either light up all of the LEDs, or just to clear all of them. So it's just the same thing as the display up here without the delay. So it immediately either lights up or immediately removes all of the turns off all of the LEDs. So for number one, we have B and C. So if we go back to the graph, so that would basically mean only B and C are set to high, and so it will basically form a 1. And so for number 2, we have we have A, B, G, E, D, and then as you can see there, for number 2 it's A, B, G, D, E, and pretty much the same it's pretty much the same for all of the other functions. They basically just light up the different LEDs needed to form that letter or number using this diagram. And then of course we have clear all, in both the starting and the ending, just to make sure that the moment it moves to the next letter, it will immediately be cleared, so the letter will properly light up and there will be no complications. So that's pretty much it for the lesson 16. Thank you.